This is Dingwall Wasting Garage. Next stop, Longman, Inverness College. Next stop, Longman, Seafield Road. Next stop, Creekton, Keswick Bridge. Welcome on board the 27, Service 2, Content Tornagrain Forest. Next stop, Dingwall Leisure Centre. Next stop, Dingwall Leisure Centre. Next stop, Dingwall Tesco. Now approaching Newton of Ferintosh, A835. Welcome on board the 27, Service 2, Tornagrain Village. Now approaching Newton of Ferintosh, Drynie Park Junction. This is Newton of Ferintosh, Drynie Park Junction. Welcome on board the 27, Service 2, Tornagrain Village. Now approaching Kilcoy Road End. Welcome on board the 27, Service 2, Tornagrain Village. Now approaching Tornagrain. Welcome on board the 27, Service 2, Tornagrain Village. Creekton, Keswick Bridge. Longman, Seafield Road. Longman, Seafield Road. Longman, Stagecoach. Longman, Stagecoach Depot. Longman, Inverness College. Longman, Inverness College. Inverness Bus Station. Welcome on board the 28, Service 2, Dingwall Royal Hotel. Next stop, Bridge Station Road. Next stop, Bridge Mace Show. Next stop, Dingwall Wasting Garage. Next stop, Dingwall Royal Hotel.